Hello and welcome to our channel Connect Info Systems. Today we'll be learning how can we create, schedule and manage activities in Odoo. So there are two problems that bother almost every company. First is administrative work and second is lack of time. Also, if you have seen those desks that have hundreds of sticky notes with to-dos on them, and usually they end up lost or in the trash. So let's avoid these things by using Odoo. So let's go ahead and straight jump to our CRM module. Here I'll be first removing this filter, that is my pipeline, so that I can see all the leads rather than just my own. So let's go to the lead of Office Design Project by Deco Edit. Now I'm going to the bottom of the page. Now you can see this is the chatter over here. So let's see, I want to schedule an activity. So I'll click on schedule an activity. And here you can see that there's an activity field. Now if I click on this activity field, that is activity type, I'll see various options available here, right? So I'm gonna choose anyone. So let's see, I want to schedule an activity for a follow-up, right? So now in the summary, I can write that what I have to do. So I'll be choosing or writing as follow-up. And here I can, get the dates. So I can get it like on 17th or 18th, or if I want this date to be done by tomorrow, I'll click on the tomorrow's date. Now here you get assigned to column 2. Now in this column you're gonna assign the task which person you want to assign it. So I'll just keep it as Michelle admin only. Now there's a log note. Now here you'll be typing your message which you want to give. So for that I want to give them a message that please call them. So I'll just go and schedule ahead. Now if I go to the bottom of the page again to the chatter, I'll see that I have scheduled an activity for follow-up, which is please call them again. Now I have different options here. So I can edit this activity if I need to. I can give him maybe a few more days to get it done. So let's edit it, and here I'll give him 3 to 4 more days and I'll save it. So that's how I edited the activity. You can see that's due in 3 days. I can either mark as done or I can cancel this activity. If I go ahead and mark as done, I get 2 options over here. Either I can say it's done, or I can say let's do it, it's done, and I can schedule the next activity ahead. Now, the next thing which I want to show you is that if I want to see all the notification of the activity, I can do this by here. Just by this clock icon, I can see that I have these much activities over there. Some are late, some are today, and some are set for the future. The next thing which we gonna know is that if you want to customize any activity, how will you do that? So we'll go to the CRM, and here you'll see configuration. So we'll click on the configuration, and in this we'll see activity types. So we'll click on that. And here you can see that there's a window open. Now to create any activity, I'll simply click on create and I'll write a name. So let's say I want to name it as urgent work. Now I can choose the action which this urgent work needs to do. So I want to do this as a phone call. I can choose a default user that who can use it. So I'll not set any default user here, but if you want to set, you can set. I can give a short summary. I can change the activity type, like there should be a chain. Then I can suggest something which I don't want to right now, and everything is available. I can schedule, I can email templates and everything. But for now, I'll just leave it like this. So I'll save it and I'll go ahead. Now let's check if we got this activities on our activity schedules or not. So we'll again go back to CRM and we'll click on this score for 150 carpet and we'll go to the chatter. We'll schedule the activity and we'll see, do we got an activity type or not. So here, now we got this activity here as urgent work. So I'll click on that. I'll do the whole process again and then I'll save it and I'll move ahead. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts or any queries regarding Odoo, we are happy to help you, and please comment down below. We'll bring such more informative videos like this, so please subscribe to our channel.